Here at Controlled Automation, we are always looking to the future, looking for new ideas to automate steel fabrication, to push the industry forward. And we do it by doing what we've always done, building the best quality and most robust machines on the market, all designed and produced here in the USA. For decades, Controlled Automation has been the leader in beam punching machinery. We're proud to announce a new design for the ultimate in high-speed punching. If you're looking to make holes in beams at high volumes, look no further. Our Dual BFC is a beam punching line like no other that easily creates batch production by punching multiple holes all at once. Whether it's solar beams, highway guardrails, or even warehouse rack systems, if you need large-scale production of batch parts, this is the fastest way. Most holes and slots use off-the-shelf punches and dies for readily available and inexpensive tooling. And by punching multiple holes at once, we reach speeds faster than what's capable on any drilling or plasma cutting machine. Average speeds allow multiple holes every 6 seconds or less and puts the Dual BFC miles ahead of any other production system available. Just like all controlled automation machinery, its robust build will last for decades. We always keep the best quality in mind, built in the USA with parts that are made in the USA. Whether it's storage and rack manufacturing, highway infrastructure, or even energy independence, Controlled Automation is dedicated to getting us there faster.